Did you know that your brand image on social media can be the deciding factor between attracting or losing customer? Nice to meet you. I'm Richard, and I work with creative graphic design and modern digital solutions, offering ready-made services to make you or your business stand out online. Here's what I can do for you. Creation and development of professional logos. I transform your own photo into a talking photo, which speaks in several languages. Creation of images and videos with artificial intelligence, AI. Editing and customizing designs on Canva. Creation of exclusive designs for t-shirts. Production of illustrated children's books in video and PDF format. And much more. If you want quality, innovation, and agility, this is the opportunity. Contact me to talk to me right now. Let's create something incredible together. Your visual project deserves to be unique. I can help you with that.